Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and share it. Also, if you are still not subscribed to the channel, then don't go without pressing the subscribe button. Here are 4 different ways you can make $400 per day. Most of these ideas require zero experience or degrees of any kind. So, if you want to earn $400 a day, I hope this list gives you some ideas to get started. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing accounts for a good portion of my income. Plus, it's one of the ideas on the list that has incredibly high income potential as you gain more experience. Freelance writing is also how Tom makes most of his income, and it's an incredibly lucrative opportunity that isn't hard to start either. New freelance writers can look for jobs on Upwork, Fiverr, or even turn to content mills like Textbroker just to get their foot in the door and some pieces published. Yes, the market is pretty competitive, but with a bit of pitching and consistent work, you can easily grow a freelance writing empire that will make $400 fast. Keep in mind that the average freelance writer doesn't make this much in a day when starting out, since most beginner freelance writers earn around 5 cents to 10 cents per word. But, when you get into the 15 cents to 25 cents per word range, you can definitely make $400 in a day with your writing. After all, you only need to write 2,000 words at 20 cents per word to make $400 a day with your freelance writing job. And, if you could do this every workday in a month, that's around $8,800 per month in income. 2. Blogging. Blogging is how I make the majority of my income, but it isn't quick by any means. You might find blogging gurus who tell you that you can make 5 figures a month within a half a year of blogging. This is very unrealistic, but making $400 per day in the long term with your blog certainly isn't. It took my blog about 2 years of real effort to start making a decent passive revenue stream. That's the real benefit of a blog. You make money while you sleep. Again, figuring out how to make $400 a day with your blog probably takes a few years, but like freelance writing, the earning ceiling with blogging is insanely high. All you need to do is pick your blog niche, learn SEO, and consistently create awesome content that ranks on Google. This is hard work, but the formula works. And, you don't need to spend a fortune on your blog either. You can start your blog with SiteGround for under $10 per month and begin working towards that $400 a day goal. 3. Online coaching. Another way to make $400 a day is to offer online coaching to individuals or groups. While it might surprise you, people are willing to spend a lot of money for online coaching services if they think it'll help them reach their goals. And, there are plenty of popular online coaching niches out there, including business coach, fitness coach, diet coach, life coach, career coach. Tom has made money with Facebook and Google Ads coaching in the past and made $200 an hour, and that's still pretty low in the world of online coaching. And, you can offer a variety of coaching services as mentioned. Just take a look at some of these coaching gigs on Fiverr that I found. Some of these coaching gigs cost $100 to $150 for a single session, so you can definitely make $400 in a day if you have enough clients. If you consider yourself an expert in any subject of life, you can start online coaching and actually get clients. And, the beauty of online coaching is, you don't have to leave your house. It is a high-end product, meaning more money up front. Social media is your best friend in finding clients. If you run a blog or YouTube channel, you can probably find clients from those audiences as well. And, don't be afraid to start group coaching calls as well. If you charge something like $50 per person per session, you only need 8 clients to earn $400 a day as an online coach. 4. Rent assets you own. If you want to make $400 each day but prefer passive income, renting things you own is the right option for you. Thanks to the gig economy, there are numerous sharing apps out there where you can earn passive income by renting out various assets. Some popular examples include Airbnb. Perfect for renting out your home or a spare room, and you can make $400 a day with multiple rooms or if it's a very nice property. Neighbor. Rent out your spare storage space and earn income from an empty parking spot, garage, shed, or spare room. RV share. Make money renting out your RV when you're not using it and earn $50 to $100 plus per night. Turo. Rent out your unused vehicle on Turo and start earning passive income. It's unlikely you can make $400 a day by renting out one asset, but with several rental gigs going simultaneously, you can certainly make $400. You can also get more creative than just those rental options. If you have something like film equipment, camera equipment, lighting resources, and empty studio space, you can use rental marketplaces like Fat Llama to find renters in your city. The point is, take advantage of anything you have, but don't use it 24/7. A lot of these assets can easily rake in a few $100 a day, especially on Airbnb. Thanks for watching.